How can we be sure 100% that you'll stick to the Constitution and never legislate from the bench here in Baldwin County?
One of the things that was most frustrating to me in law school was my constitutional law class. And it's because constitutional law in many places has very little to do anymore with the text of the Constitution. What we study as lawyers tends to be the accretion of case law that has grown up around the Constitution. And so if you're standing back trying to apply, it's very frustrating for lay people who are trying to apply the text of the Constitution to a situation. One of the places where that's actually interestingly, you actually get back to the real Constitution is in criminal law. And there's a lot of that in this courtroom. That probably 60 or 70% of the work that a district court judge is judging criminal cases. And that's constitutional law. A lot of that is constitutional law. I believe in my judicial philosophy, or sort of where I come from, is Justice Scalia. Justice Scalia on our court was maybe pilloried as an originalist, but he always said, get back to the text. That once you're divorced from the text, once we're interpreting legislative intent and things like that, not the words that are on the page, then judges get to do anything they want to do. They can make up anything they want to make up. And so, like I said, I learned at the feet of Scalia, and so that's where my philosophy is, and so that's what would bring me back. The actual words on the page are where you go to.